Intelligent D.
Yes, Dee Dee?
How are subscribers made?
Pardon?
No. How are subscribers made? Monkey wants to know.
Oh, I hadn't realised you were that old yet. Okay, I guess someone has to tell you about the birds and the YouTube someday. Right, well. Oh, I knew I should prepare for all this.
Okay.
It starts off small. A mummy YouTuber and a daddy YouTuber leave each other comments on videos. Then they start thumbing each other, and when they start to love each other very, very much, they subscribe.
That's it. That's the birds and the YouTube, and that's how subscribers are made.
He said thumbing up.
Dee Dee, don't be so rude. Go and bother Craig Jonathan Hill and Rachel Waffles. They know this kind of thing.
Intelligent D.
What?
What's two girls, one cup?